Hi there, this is Jen, and thanks for stopping by for the product reveal for this cute Gnome Think Spring stamp set. This is a 4x6 clear stamp set, and there are three gnomes in this set. One has a cute little bunny, and then one is holding some flowers behind his back, and then the other one has a butterfly. And the stamp set's sentiments say, "For you, love having you near, sending smiles and hugs," and "Better Together," and "My Sweet Friend." These are about 2 3/4 inches wide, and I'm just going to go ahead and stamp up the set with the butterfly. So the butterfly and the gnome on this stamp are attached, but you can always cut your stamp apart if you prefer to have those separate. And then I'm just going to stamp up the sentiment that says, "Love having you near." These are, as always, super easy to stamp without a stamping tool. And I just stamp those up in some VersaFine. And the samples that I have for you today are, this first one I stamped on a piece of pattern paper and then just colored up with some alcohol markers. And then this card right here, I did a little bit of paper piecing and a little bit of orange. And all the products that I use for these samples will be listed below. And if you go ahead and click on that subscribe and the bell, you'll be notified when Whimsy Stamps videos are new up on the YouTube channel. As well, if you want to go ahead and sign up on the Facebook page for Whimsy Stamps, you can post your own Whimsy creations and also get inspiration from all of the members there, including the design team members. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you soon.